Welcome guys. I'm working here on my Prelude. Just to replace, put the coilovers from the back. Three. Quattro. And the last one, coilovers. This is a beautiful Prelude. Put the coilovers here. And let's continue number 4. Complete. Okay guys, the teens coilovers are done, and this was my Prelude. So the car look lower. Of course, in my opinion, we need better rims, but it's okay for now. Yeah, this was with the G23 before H22, then I swapped G23, and then I removed the G23 and I sold the shell to my friend Hassad. So now I put the coilovers I removed before sale. These coilovers are Teins, T-E-I-N, made in Japan, and we finish with the coilovers. Look way better. Like I say, we need better rims. Yeah, this is the rear battery I did myself when the car was mine. done. Guys, this episode for this Prelude coilover install is finished for today. Please subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you on the next episode. Thank you for watching.